Hello, class, sixth graders. How are you doing? Great. So, what we're going to do now is start on our second activity. What we're going to do is we're going to grab our jump ropes and we're going to start the exercise of trying to swing them and jump at the same time. So, what you want to do for your jump rope, you want to grab both handles. You're going to step on the rope in the middle. You want to make sure your jump rope comes up all the way up to your armpits, right here. Right here, you want to have a good handle on it. So what we're going to do is, first activity, we're going to just swing and step over. Very simple. We're going to do it 10 times, and I'm going to show you how it's done on that number one where it says swing and step. That's how we're going to perform it. We're going to do it 10 reps. So get ready, get your jump ropes right. Again, if you don't have a jump rope, that's perfectly fine. Just pretend like you have a jump rope or any other string or any other small, about an inch this thick, that you could twirl over you. That'd be great. So here we go. Remember, 10 reps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Great job. Now what we're going to do is we're going to we are going to focus on trying to jump over the rope while we swing it over our heads. As you can see in number 2, it's just one swing, one hop, and that's it. So as you can see, as for the rope, the harder you move your arms forward, the faster you go, the faster the rope goes. So if you want to make it slow, go very slow as possible. If you want to go faster, try to go fast. So example, if I go, that was pretty fast. But if I go really slow, drag my arms, see how slow it is? So now what we're going to do is we're going to do 10 reps of just swing and one hop. So 10 reps. We're going to get going in a little bit. 2 seconds. 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, now good work on those. So for our next exercise, we are going to swing, double bounce, and a hop. Again, if you move the rope faster in your arms and your wrists, the faster the rope will travel under your feet. So if you go slow, if you want to go slow and moving your arms. If you want to go fast, move your arms faster. So just a quick example, look at number 3, or you can look at me. I'm going to show you right now. It's a double bounce. So basically, this is what's going to look like. Again, you want to move that rope very slow. So we're going to do also this 10 reps. So get your jump ropes ready. If you don't have one, it's perfectly fine. So 2 seconds, 3, 2, 1. Let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good work. Great job. So again, if you want to practice those are just for beginners. Again, you don't need a rope right now, but if you have something, that would be great. For this last one on activity 2, what we're going to do is you're going to have the jump rope, you're going to by your side, and all you're going to do, and you're going to twirl it like this, but instead of just twirling, staying, you're going to jump it. You're going to time it. It's like this. And again, the rope is by your side, and you're not going to hold it like this. So you're going to go 10 times each side, and that'll be it. So here we go. 2, 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good job, everyone. So we learned the swing step, we learned the swing and hop, we learned the swing and double bounce, and you swing the rope by your side and bounce it in time. So after that activity, we're going to move on to our third activity for the day, and I'll see you shortly. Hey, sixth graders, how's everyone feeling so far? Good, great. So for our last activity for the day, what we're going to do is we're going to try some more harder jump ropes styles. Again, go at your own pace. If you don't have a jump rope, that's perfectly fine. Again, the faster you move your wrist or your arms when you're twirling, the faster the rope goes. So again, go at your own pace. Everything is going to be 1 minute. So for the first exercise, we're going to go on the screen on your left, where the man, he's just regular jump roping, nothing fancy, just a small hop, and the rope goes underneath. So we're going to do that in a few seconds. Let's get the music started and we'll get going. All right, everyone, here we go. 1 minute, you're a regular jump rope. Make sure you go at your own pace. The faster you flick the wrist and your arms, the faster the rope goes. So if you want to go slower like this, move your arms up and down. Good, everyone, good. Again, if you need a few seconds, take a break, it's fine. If you mess up, that's fine too. Good job, everyone. Good job with that one exercise. Next, we're going to do is a side to side with the jump rope. So, I don't know if you remember the first activity when we were doing side to sides over the jump rope. Same exact thing, but what we're going to do is we're going to use the jump rope over us. So again, if you don't have a rope, that's fine. Again, go at your own pace, so where you can get it right. And another thing, don't forget, the faster you move your arms, your wrists, the faster the rope goes. So, a few seconds, I'm going to get the music ready. Then we're going to go 1 minute again, side to side. All right, let's go. Side to side, just like this. You want to make sure you breathe. Make sure you breathe when you jump rope. Good job. Keep it up. Keep it up. You got about 20 seconds. Good, everyone. Good. Nice job. Good. Great. Good work, everyone. Now what we're going to do is a front to back. Similar again, when we're jumping over the rope, when the rope was on the floor, you're going to jump over it from front to back. Only difference is now we're going to do it with a jump rope in our hands. So, again, go at your own pace. Make sure you're breathing. Make sure you're moving those hands or those wrists at the pace you want to go. So, in a couple of seconds, we get the music ready, we're going to get going. All right, everyone, get going as soon as you hear that music. Remember, front to back, front to back. That's how it's going to look like. Good, everyone. Keep it going. Keep going, sixth graders. You got about 20 seconds left. Good, good, nice, nice. Good, break. Great job, everyone, so far. We're not done yet, but we're almost there. So what we're going to do is these upcoming three ones, a little more complicated than your usual ones. So first one we're going to do is hopscotch on your left. So the one on your left, see how the guy is raising his knees up? It's a high knee, basically, with a jump rope. Again, you don't have to use the jump rope if you don't have one. You can just do high knees. And you can pretend to also if you have the rope. Another thing, the rope, make sure you go is at your own pace. His wrists are moving pretty fast, so if you want to go that fast, it's perfectly fine. If you want to go slower, make sure you're going to bring your arms up and over, up and over. So we're going to get started here. We're going to start with hopscotch on your left, left of the screen, and then as soon as the music goes, we're going to get started. All right, now we're going to hopscotch, so we're going to high knee. Okay, make sure you got your own pace. Make sure you breathe into when you're jumping. Okay, if you don't have it, that's what you're going to do. Good job, everyone. Keep it up. You got about 10 seconds left. Push right through. Good. Nice work, everyone. Good job, everyone, with that last one. So now what we're going to do is we're going to do scissors. So as you see, basically it's your feet are switching from front to back, alternating each side. So I'll show you that in a bit. Again, if you can't do it with the jump rope, that's perfectly fine. You just want to get your feet right. So you're almost running in place. Both feet are coming back and forth simultaneously.